Hi, this lesson is from page 583 in your student book. The objective is you'll be able to find the mean, median, and mode of a set of data. And so the essential question is, what measures of tendency can best represent the data in which way? And so we'll be talking about that in a bit. But as a review, I know some of you have said you've already had this. The mean is the average. So you find the sum of all the data and divide by the number of data in the set. The median, you list from least to greatest and find the number that comes in the middle of that arrangement of data. And sometimes you might not have a number there, but you'll have to find the average of the two that are in the middle. So if it's an even number of data, you'll have to find the average of the middle two. And the mode, which never occurs most often. All right, first example, the ages of people in attendance are, and you see the data there, find the mean, median, and the mode. So for the mean, you would add all of the data points up, and then because there are 6 data, you would divide by 6 and get the mean of 23. The median, you would list the data from least to greatest, and then remember that the middle, the median, is the number that comes in between the two numbers in the middle. So they don't have a 23, but the median is 23 because it's the middle of the data. And here we have a mode. We have 2 modes. The 18 and the 24 are both the modes. All right, well, sometimes you'll be asked to you pick which measure of tendency is the most accurate. Which one describes the data most accurately? So here we have computer models and how many gigabytes each model holds. And I did the figuring that out together for you. The mean. The mean is 565 for the mean. The median is 640 gigabytes, and the mode is 640. So we would say the median and the mode most clearly represent the data. Because there was one example with low gigabytes, 250, do you see how that one data point of 250 pulled all of the scores down for our mean? So our mean is actually much lower than the median and the mode. So we would say the best measures are both the mode and the median because they are the more accurate representation of the data. And then we already talked about why the mean was too low. So in your homework, you will be given some data, In the homework, you'll be given data, and they'll ask you to say which one is the best representation and why. And then finally, you will see some stem and leaf plots. And just as a review, know that the first column always represents the tens, and then the column on the right are the ones. So we're really saying 0 tens and 4 ones, or 4, 5, and 7. We would say 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14. 1 10 and 8 ones is 18. And so on. So here's 23, 24, 26, and 30, and 32. Okay, that's it for the video tonight. See you in the morning.